Good afternoon and welcome. It's Gillykube from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, on a very wet, windy day, but still quite humid, as they may say. I am today glad that you've all joined me, and thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm going to be cheeky and ask you, please do so. I would very much appreciate that. Today I'm going to use some of these lovely Boom Gel Stain. They're a pre-made paint that takes all the guessing out of kind of doing the bloom technique. So they don't have to have anything added or anything, no complicated recipe or no really expensive recipe, and you use very little of the paint, so they're really economical, even though because you use a very little amount. So I'm using them, and they have a Boom Cell Booster, which I believe is alcohol based and not silicone. Ooh, that's the thunder clapping out there. And I'm just going to put I have put a few drops of the Boom Booster just in the the cell just to activate cells. I'm getting all tongue-tied today. I haven't had enough coffee, I don't think, so I'm going to sip my coffee on the way here. So I'm just doing this little 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, and I have my bottom taped and my giant push pins in there to hold it up nice and firm, and off we go. I'm going to go from here. I'm going to put a white base for this particular one. This is pre-made. I'm just hoping that it's not too thin for these paints, but I'll just give it a check it out. See, might be too thin, I'm not sure, so we just see. So that's my pre-made. Now I love this native violet purple. I just keep a little chopsticky thing to poke the ends, just in case they've gone a little bit funny, sticking a bit. So, and this one is the pearlescent teal. So there's some just beautiful colours in the range, so many. This is the Mana Crab Blue. I'm going to keep it all bluey tones, I think she says. And then I'll go for a white. And then I'm going to put the pearlescent dark blue in here. Oh, it's a big blob of that. And just one of the I'm going to go the pearlescent watermelon. So all these paints need is a good shake. I'll see if I've got one open off. Yeah, I've got one open here. They need a good shake. They're very highly pigmented, so usually come nice deep colours, and then when you resin over the top of these, they're just so beautiful. Go that lovely Mana Crab again. I know there's two darks and a dark, but there we go. And I'm going to put the white. So this is one that I've mixed up quite a number of weeks ago actually, so I'm hoping that it's still good to go. So we will see, won't we? So that's basically my cell activator, as they're calling it now. So I'm going to try my big hair dryer with this, and I hope that it doesn't blow it all over the place. So we'll just give it a go. I'll just see how it goes. Maybe I don't even need the nozzle on, I'm not quite sure. So gone everywhere. Oh my gosh, that was a disaster. I mean, look at it, the lacing and everything is spectacular, but It's just gone. It's too much of a big blower for this little canvas, so I'm gonna finish off the rest of it just with my straw blows. But oh my goodness, that went everywhere. Never mind, I'll just finish it off with a straw. The colours are just beautiful. Oh dear. Yeah, I've ended up with paint everywhere. It's still gorgeous. I mean, I'll give you some close-ups on these cells, but it just, because it's blown everywhere, there's kind of no nice composition to it. So I might go start again, and I mean, the cells are just gorgeous, but I'm not actually, it's not, I think I'm going to need to scrape this because it's just, if I was blowing that out on a big canvas, yes, but because it's this small one, it's not a real, it's not a goer. It doesn't look too bad, but it's not what I was looking for. Where are we? We're right out of, wow. Look at the cells in it though. I'll have a think about this one. Okay, had a little think, and I think I'm going to try just taking half of the, I don't mind that side at all, so I think I'm going to just scrape half of it. I know it may seem wacky, but I'm just going to try something, and if it doesn't work, you know, it's really only paint. There's only a little bit of paint, so way too fierce, that dryer, for that small canvas. But I'm just thinking, because that's so beautiful there, I'll just try and see what else I can get. Maybe even doing a swipe on this. I'm not sure. Can do a blow and a swipe. That's not unheard of, is it? So I think I'm just gonna use my fingers, something that I can control, not the hairdryer at the moment. So I'll just use my fingers. Give this a go. I'm just thinking now, maybe I will do the I'm going to try, well, there's the blow and the swipe, so I'm going to try and swipe this side and see what I get. Why not? Why not? Okay, I'm going to try these things. You have to try. You'll never know. Never know. I just love that lacing through there. That really, I'll give you a close-up on my phone, the camera on my phone. It gives beautiful photos. So I'll give you a close-up of that in a minute, or on the end of the video. This nice pearly one on top. Just have a little bit of this. I love this colour. I love all the colours, but that's very nice. So I'm going to go over the top with the white cell activator, kind of like that, and back down. We'll just see what it gives me. I'm going to swipe with just a piece of this soft plastic file divider, see what we get. Nothing coming up at present time that's very interesting, but hopefully, let's see what we get. Colours are really, really vibrant, but it's not really doing anything special at the moment. Keep it going. Not having a good day today with my experiments. They're not doing what I expected they may do. It's just not behaving today. But you have days like that and you've just got to just take them as a learning curve. No, it's not really doing anything. Just doodling now, seeing if I can get anything to come out of it. I mean, it still looks pretty with the colours and everything, but certainly didn't get anything happening this side that I thought I would. No, not. Oh, look at that fly, you stupid fly. No, that's not good. You have caused your own death. Well, I'm not particularly fond of that piece, so plan B, A, B, C or D. I'm going to scrape it off. I'm going to start again. It's just not, it's a nice little canvas, so I don't want to not be happy with it. I will try again, see what we get. Alright, no problem, no biggie. I'll go all over it again with the white. So if you're not liking something, don't be afraid to just go back in, scrape, or just keep trying something with it. And if nothing is working, then just scrape it and start again. Yet it's a bit of paint and it's sad, but it's better than having something that you're not happy with. Not happy, Jane. So you don't want to do that. So I will do one more try, and if I can't get anything that I'm happy with, I'm going to walk away from the canvases for today, because it's obviously not going to work my ideas for today. But you know, just push on. It's your art therapy time, so just relax about it. I'm just going to leave that now at those colours, and I'm going to get my mini blower. I can't do this blowing out thing that everybody does themselves. I get dizzy, so I will just try it with the mini blower. Or maybe even try it with my heat gun. I'm not sure if this will work. Let's just try it. Oh, now, look at that. Much better. Oh my goodness, so much better. Oh, that's so nice now. See, no fuss, no million ingredients. That's beautiful. That'll close back in, and then I'm just going to blow out some of the edges to soften them. Oh, that's lovely. So happy that I did that. Scraped. It's lovely, I like it. Oh, itchy nose. Lovely. That's going to look lovely in resin. That looks so much nicer. I really like that now. That's lovely. So happy that I've blown it off. I will just leave that now to do its thing. I will finish off the edges, but that is just gorgeous and I'm happy with that. So there you go, another lesson learnt, people. If you're not happy and you just not, it just doesn't float your boat, just scrape it off and start again. Just deep breathe. When you're getting agitated or frustrated that things are not working, just have that few deep breaths and recharge your batteries and go for it again. Now, I love that. I think that's very nice. That's very sweet. That will look so nice with resin on it. Easy peasy Japanesey with those boom gel stain and that little bit of boom juice, I call it, boom juice in the as your cell activator. Okay. All good in the world. Thank you so much for joining me for this another crazy journey. I will be back again tomorrow, people. Please stay safe and create. Bye for now.